Hi people with the spirit of learning, welcome back to my video in YouTube. My name is Angga from Indonesia, and today is Saturday. Before I'm going to outside to do the outdoor activity, I'm gonna show you the beautiful and amazing and great and brilliant idea for people who's loving to build their own product. Okay, so basically this website is recommended for designer who wants to build their own product but they don't know how to code, and developer who wants to build their own product but they don't know how to design, and founder who wants to build their own startup but they don't know how to design and code. Okay, so it seems like amazing, right, for you? But Angga, if we are using this, are we still able to change the design? Yeah, of course you are able to change the design, the development, the code, and then yeah, even the flow of the business. So basically this is only for the master file that you are customized, that you are able to edit them based on your business requirement. I told you like this because what? Because like, well, basically some people wants to change their own career. Maybe the first career is designer and they want to become the product owner, or they want to become the founder of the startup, but they don't know how to start because they didn't learn the code and they didn't learn about the business. So the best thing that they can do is just to use the existing app, and then after that they are able to change the design, change the business flow, and then change the UX flow, yeah, whatever it is, just change it and then it's customizable. The reason why we have to use the kind of thing because it's rapidly, it saves your time. So you don't have to learn again from scratch about the programming or even the design if you're the developer, or even the programming and design if you're the founders of the startup. Just buy this template, edit them and launch. As you can see, that's so quick, right? And yeah, I was thinking that I'm gonna try this kind of thing for my own product, especially in the course like the Udemy, because they provide the website like Udemy does. So I just need to buy, download, and then edit them and launch my own website. Okay guys, for the further information, make sure you visit that website. Just check in the video's description because I have provided them. And if you found this video helpful for you, please consider to like, comment, and share with friends, because I'm looking for 15,000 more to get the 50,000 by this year. Okay guys, so good luck if you are going to try this, and yeah, just let me know if you have a question. Alright buddies, so nice to meet you from Indonesia. See you in the next video. Goodbye.